For the last few years, Canva has probably been the best user-friendly, affordable graphic software helping thousands of online marketers and e-commerce businesses. But guess what? There's a new kid on the block and it's called Glorify, and it has its sights set to take down Canva as well as other popular graphic design tools like Stencil, Snappa, Trello, and PicMonkey. In this video, I'm going to show you how Glorify has a tool that many don't have. It's a way to quickly apply your brand colors to beautifully designed templates. Welcome to SharingYourPassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide a passion and I provide assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do so we can have all these colors available to us, we need to create our color palette. Let's go into my files and down here, color palette. Okay, see, if you click this, create new color palette, it allows you to add to your palettes. I've already added about 7 of these. So all you have to do is create, name it color palette, say 10, and you just start picking colors here. You can pick this magenta color, and then you click on the plus sign, a dark blue, click another one, an orangey color, and there's my new color palette with this reddish magenta, blue, and yellow. And the other ones I've created previously. Once you have your color palettes, it's easy to apply it. Watch, let's just click one of these. Okay, it's a Facebook wall ad, and you just click one of these, a football shoe image, and right here you'll see it's called branded. That's where your palettes will show up. That's what we just created, and if I click it, there, it added that, the blue. Click it again and it added the yellow. Right? Wow, look at that. It's perfect. It's totally usable now. I can download this, save it, and upload it to my website. Okay, and let's create an e-commerce graphic. Let's click here. Let's choose HD panorama for websites. Okay, there's a lot of templates to be used here, and all of these are easily modified to match your branding style. Okay, so I've already favorited some. To favorite, you just click on the heart, and I've already done some of these. Let's click on the first one. Okay, we have this graphic with a little thumb drive, and watch this. Now that we have our color palette set, you just simply go here, brand it, and start clicking away. Look at that. It immediately changed the entire graphic to match this set of colors. And there's more, so you can just keep clicking and you'll see different variations. That's nice too. Have another set here. Colors, that's okay. Some will work better than others, so you just have to keep trying. I have about 5 or 6 different color palettes here. And let's try this blue palette. Very nice. Oh yeah, that works. That too. It's so easy, right? Okay, this one. That's quite nice. Can you imagine how productive you could be with this? Super nice. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this shoe. Okay, this is kind of muted. It's a little subtle. Let's give it our brand colors. Wow, okay, that's alright. Could be changed. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah, that works. Mm-hmm. Yeah, all of these are cool. Let's try this one. Nope. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Quite nice. So it's so easy. Let's try this one. Okay, all green. Let's brand it. Bang, yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. Yeah. This corner gets lost. Let's do the blues. Nice. See how powerful this is? It's an amazing product. Let's try these headphones. Let's brand it. Wham. Bam. Gosh, that's so nice. Back up here. Mm-hmm. That works. Or our blues. Yeah. And let's try this template for Black Friday sale. This is the kind of graphic you put on a website. This is 1900 pixels, so it's quite big when you download this. Let's give it our theme color. Whoosh. Whoosh. Decent. Blues. So easy. Okay, now let's try another type of graphic. Let's go back to our dashboard. Specifically, YouTube thumbnails, the all-important thumbnails for YouTube. And the templates are loading. It's just amazing what this program can do. And this is just one of those features that set it apart from Canva and all these other good graphics out there. I mean, I've been using Canva, I've been using GIMP, Inkscape, and also Gravit. But this one, when I saw this, I jumped on it. There's like a early adopters special pricing right now going on for $97. I hope you guys can get it at that price. Click the links to see if it's still available. But it's just launched and they're only possibly just temporarily giving this special discount for $97 for lifetime access to this app. Amazing. I hope you guys see this and buy it, because it's going to make you more productive in terms of outputting your graphics, which is really important to all your online marketing efforts. So let's click the YouTube thumbnail for this thing, a little camera. Okay, this little camera, this is nice. You could use this. Just edit it to name the camera and some of your details here. But let's brand it to our colors. Yeah. That looks cool. Okay, another color. Our blues. Yep. So easy to change it. My gosh. This is gonna save you a lot of time creating graphics. Okay. That's quite nice. That works. Like it. Oh, love it. There you go. Let's try this one for a phone case. That's nice. And brand it. Ooh. Yeah. All these work. That works really well, because that matches the leather. Gosh, they're all good. How can you select when all of them are really good? But that's a good problem to have. Okay, so let's try this one that has a faded image in the back. It's like an overlay of blue combined with that background. You can always change the background, change anything of these. These are all editable, right? You can drag this here, drag that there, and let's brand it. Pretty cool. Let's go down here. Yeah, yep. So many good options. Make it blue. And let's try, how about the skateboard? That's a decent image there. Very usable. But let's color it. Super quick, super efficient. Can you imagine what you can do with this? Let's try this one. I just want to give you a look at how many different kinds of things we can do with this. Just for the coloring. Yeah. Okay. I'm hoping you're getting an idea on how powerful this new software is. It just launched in August of 2019. And it's got other features that the others don't have. Not just this branding, coloring, scheme, palette thing. It also has a background remover, which Canva does not have. And once you pay for it, everything is free. Unlike Canva, even if you upgrade from the free service is okay. You get maybe half the templates for free. But if you really like a template and it's not free, then you have to upgrade to about $120 a year. That's, you know, recurring every year, $120. And even if you paid for the upgrade, some of the images will still cost you $1. So that's a bit annoying. You don't know exactly what you're going to end up paying for in the long run. While this, you know exactly how much you're paying. If you buy it right now, it's a limited time. They're offering an early adopters pricing. I hope you can get it. I got it for $97 and I have lifetime access to this. I feel so lucky I found this. I just hope they keep the early adoption special pricing period open for a while. Check the description section to see if the pricing is still available at what I paid for it, $97. I think they intend to charge $400 a year once this product is fully operational and fully mature. So time to get this now. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success.